Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change sticker packs in Monopoly Go for 2025. This is a full guide, so stick around till the end. First, open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap the Go button to get started with the game. Now to earn some money, go ahead and attack a building. Any building will do. After collecting your rewards, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the album icon. This will open up your sticker collection. Here you will see different sticker set available. To change sticker packs, simply tap on the pack you want to switch to. From here, you can add new stickers to your collection by dragging them into the correct spots. Want to trade? You can also share your stickers with friends or exchange them with others. When you complete set or make successful trades, you'll earn bonus rewards. So keep an eye on those opportunities. And that's it. That's how you change sticker packs in Monopoly Go 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a quick tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.